Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thumre. I welcome all of you in the 6th lecture Inserting Special Characters from HTML tutorial. In this video, you will be able to learn what is special characters and how to insert special characters on web pages. Let us start with HTML special characters. Some characters are reserved in HTML. There are many mathematical, technical and currency symbols which are not present on a normal keyboard. In HTML, special characters are typically those that can't be easily typed into a keyboard or may cause display issue if typed or pasted into a web page. If you use the less than or greater than symbols in your text, the browser might mix them with the tags. So, if you plan to use any of the special characters on this web page, you should use either the HTML entity name or the HTML entity number. Let us have some reserved characters from HTML. The following special characters are reserved in HTML. That is, because these are the characters that make up the HTML language. If you use one of these characters in an article, the browser will try to interpret it as a HTML. Therefore, you should use the entity number or entity name when you want to output any of these reserved characters. For example, if you want to display a less than sign, you must write %LT or %60. If you want to use greater than symbol, you can write %GT or %62 as an entity symbol. Let us have some practical demonstration. This web page displays the basic structure of HTML. Here I have used the HTML tag, then head section and body section. In body section, I have used the P tag, which tells that this web page demonstrates the use of special symbol in HTML. By using BR tag, you can provide a single line break. Say for example, I want to use the less than symbol. To use it, you may either use the entity symbol as %GT or you can use entity number as a %60. You can use any one. For example, here I am going to use the entity symbol, that is %LT and then semicolon. Now save the program and go to web page to check the result. Now this web page displays the less than symbol here. Now let us try the another one special symbol. Here I want to provide the greater than symbol. So for greater than symbol, I am going to use the symbol number. For greater than symbol, the number is %, then hash, then provide the 62 and semicolon. Save the program and go to web browser to check the changes. Refresh the web browser. Now it will display the greater than symbol. Likewise, you can provide the different special symbols. Let us try another one. I am going to provide the BR tag to provide a single line break. And then for %, provide the entity symbol as a %AMP, then semicolon, and then save the changes. Go to web browser. Now refresh the web browser to check the changes. So this is what all about the special symbols and how to insert special symbols characters on web page. Thank you for watching.